In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to keep your inbox organized and make important messages easier to find. First, open your Yahoo Mail inbox and look toward the left side of the screen for the section labeled Folders. This panel is your hub for organization. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling the sidebar or hover your mouse over the left edge to reveal hidden labels. Sometimes the folder section can be collapsed. If that's the case, click to expand it so you can view everything inside. Within the Folders section, you'll notice an option called New Folder with a small plus icon next to it. Click that plus icon to start creating a new folder. When you do, Yahoo Mail will open a name field so you can set up your folder exactly the way you want it. Now, give your newly created folder a clear, memorable name. Think about how you plan to use it, maybe for work, family, receipts, or newsletters. Aim for names that help you recognize what goes inside at a glance. Short and specific works best. If Yahoo Mail tells you that name is already in use, just tweak it slightly to make it unique. When you're satisfied, confirm the name to save it. Your folder should now appear instantly in the folders list, ready to help you organize. After your folder is created, look for the three dots that appear next to its name. Clicking these three dots opens a quick action menu designed to help you manage what's inside the folder without extra steps. Here you'll see useful options such as mark emails as read and archive all emails. These tools are great when you want to clean up a folder quickly, catch up on unread counts, or move older messages out of the way while keeping them accessible. Use them whenever you want to tidy things up in bulk rather than opening messages one by one. That's all there is to it. Locate the folders panel, click new folder, name it in a way that makes sense for you, and use the three dot menu to keep that folder organized over time. If you ever create multiple folders, repeat the same process to keep your inbox structured and stress-free. And remember, the layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but the folders section, the new folder plus icon, and the three dot menu are the key elements you'll use every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized Yahoo Mail.